Welcome, children, to another class of virtual learning. Today, I'll explain you lesson number 8 of English grammar, that is adjectives, degrees of comparison. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. When we are comparing one noun with another noun, the adjective of quality changes. So this change is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. There are 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person, or place without making any comparison. Positive degree is the base form of adjective. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people or places. Children, it is very important to remember that comparative degree is the comparison made between two objects, two people or places. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. Comparative degree, comparison is made between two, and in superlative degree, the comparison is made between not two but more than two. This is the main difference between the comparative and the superlative degree. Now let us learn the rules that are to be followed. We add ER and EST to most one or two syllable words that end in consonants. So the words that end with consonants, we add the word ER to make it in comparative degree and EST to make it in superlative degree. Example you can see here: dull, duller, dullest. When the positive ends in E, that means if the base form is E, we add only R or ST to the adjective. Large, larger, largest. When the positive ends in consonant plus Y, we drop the Y and add IER and IEST. Example: lucky, luckier, luckiest. When the positive is a word of one syllable that ends in vowel plus consonant, if the positive degree, the word in positive degree ends with one vowel and then consonant, we double the ending consonant there and then add ER and EST. See example: red. Red ends with D, the consonant, and there is a vowel before D, that is E. So we are going to double the consonant at the end. Redder, reddest. When the positive is long, that is a word of two or more syllables, we add more and most before the adjective to form comparative and superlative degrees. We add the words more and most to make it in comparative or superlative degree. Let us see example: useful, more useful, most useful. Difficult will be more difficult, most difficult. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. There are some adjectives that do not form the comparatives and superlatives from their positives. They have irregular degrees of comparison. The full word is changed. Example, good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. We use than with a comparative degree and the with a superlative degree. Let us see an example. Mohan is shorter than Ricky. The word than is used to show the comparison between the two boys, Mohan and Ricky. So we use the word than in comparative degree and the word the in superlative degree. Example, Falguni is the shortest girl in her class. See, the word the is there before the superlative degree, shortest. So children, remember that the word than will be used in comparative degree and the in superlative degree. Thank you children. I hope you all understood the 3 degrees of comparison of adjectives.